The Turtle Wax range of car care is specially designed to clean your car of any dirt, mud, dust or road grime. With over 40 products in the range, Turtle Wax have something to get your car spotless. With specialised products to tackle detailing tasks such as polishing or waxing with a scratch, repair and renew, polishing compound, hybrid polish spray, the super hard shell wax, as well as the hybrid ceramic spray wax, which is perfect for that quick and easy spray on and wipe off for perfect shine and greater protection. If you're looking to clean and protect your interior, well then Turtle Wax has you covered. The range includes the Power Out carpet and upholstery cleaner with the impressive brush built into the spray lid. They've got a leather cleaner and conditioner, as well as glass cleaner, quick wipes and spray protectants to help get your interior looking absolutely spotless. If you just want to wash your car after a heavy rain or a recent trip, or even getting back from a weekend away on the four-wheel drive tracks, well then Turtle Wax's range of dirt-busting formulas are very effective on all types of paint, and they're super easy to use, yielding perfect results every single time. From standard everyday car wash all the way up to heavy-duty washes for trucks and 4x4s, and even a snow foam to use with your pressure washer and foam cannon. There's plenty more specialised products available in the range, including headlight restorer, trim restorer and the entire hybrid range. So the next time that you're getting kitted out to wash your car, wash off any muddy 4x4 trips, or to restore some exterior trims, make sure that you check out the award-winning range of Turtle Wax car care available online at Repco right now.